Is an evaporation line always a sign of pregnancy?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic related to pregnancy testing, the evaporation line. Many people wonder whether an evaporation line on a pregnancy test is always a sign of pregnancy. Let's dive in and find out.
Understanding evaporation lines.
Before we talk about whether an evaporation line indicates pregnancy, let's understand what it actually is. An evaporation line is a faint, colorless line that can sometimes appear on a pregnancy test after the designated time frame for reading the result has passed. It may occur due to the moisture in the urine evaporating and leaving behind a residue or mark on the test window.
False positives and evaporation lines.
One of the common concerns regarding evaporation lines is whether they can result in false positives. A false positive is when a pregnancy test incorrectly indicates a positive result when the person is not actually pregnant. Evaporation lines can potentially be mistaken for positive results, especially if they appear within the typical time frame for reading the test. However, it's important to note that most pregnancy tests clearly state that results should be read within a specific time period, usually around 5 to 10 minutes. Any lines that appear after this time frame should be considered invalid and disregarded.
Confirming pregnancy results.
If you've noticed an evaporation line on your pregnancy test, it's crucial not to jump to conclusions based solely on that faint line. To confirm a pregnancy, it's recommended to retake the test using a fresh sample of urine or consult with a healthcare professional for further testing. They can perform a more accurate test, such as a blood test, which can detect the presence of pregnancy hormones with greater certainty.
Factors influencing evaporation lines.
It's worth mentioning that the appearance and visibility of evaporation lines can vary depending on several factors. These factors include the brand and sensitivity of the pregnancy test, the concentration of pregnancy hormones in the urine, and the individual's specific circumstances.
Tips for accurate pregnancy testing.
To ensure accurate results and avoid confusion with evaporation lines, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Read and follow the instructions provided with the pregnancy test carefully. Each test may have specific guidelines on how to interpret the results and when to read them. Use the first urine of the day for the most accurate results. The concentration of pregnancy hormones is typically higher in the morning urine, which can increase the reliability of the test. Avoid reading the test results after the designated time frame mentioned in the test instructions. Waiting too long can increase the likelihood of evaporation lines appearing and causing confusion. In conclusion, an evaporation line on a pregnancy test is not always a sign of pregnancy. It is a faint, colorless line that can appear after the designated time frame, and it should be disregarded. To confirm pregnancy, it's important to retake the test using a fresh sample of urine or consult with a healthcare professional for further testing. Remember, it's crucial to carefully read and follow the instructions provided with the pregnancy test to ensure accurate results. If you have any concerns or questions, it's always best to seek guidance from a healthcare professional who can provide personalized advice. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and take care.